the reason we're up so early is because I have a 6 a.m. flight to come fly out to Hartford, Connecticut, so that we can give you all the coverage of the 2022 Wicked Big Meet. But with that being said, let's get out of here. I almost forgot my coffee.
I'm in a sweet spot. I'm feeling good. The sun is shining. I knew it would. The world's a playground. I'm in the clouds. Let me show you what it's all about. Check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Check it out.
Damn good. I'm ready. Dude, I don't think I'm gonna need this.
Let me show you what it's all about. Check it out. I'm on the big stage. I got my crew.
Okay, so here's our current dilemma. So we've landed in Hartford. We know we have a rental car at one of these places, but unfortunately we have no idea which place it is. So we have to go from depot to depot to depot to try to find which one of these places has our reservation. So hopefully we find it. Any luck?
It's going down.
Oh, here we go, F36. Dang, boys, we live, man. Look at this hot rod. Stunting like my daddy. Hold on. Big dang, yo, all right, let's get there.
Just check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Let me show you what it's all about. Check it out.
This guy knows how to drive?
We'll see.
Jesus, guys, we don't got no insurance.
What up? What up, man? What's good?
Like, we're gonna have to figure something out.
Okay.
I know you're good for that.
Of course I am. Well, here we are. We made it. So let's take a walk around, look at some cars, talk to some people, see what we can get.
Check me out. Check me out. Just check me. Let me show you what it's all about. Check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Check it out. I'm gonna light it up.
I'm not sure if you guys can see, but this is the line to meet Pastrana. It's pretty crazy.
Let me show you what it's all about. Check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Just check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Let me show you what it's all about. Check it out.
All right, guys, so I just got word that there's a small chance that I'm going to be getting a ride in this thing right here. Let's hope.
Got a real good feeling. Got a real good feeling. Like there is lightning deep in my bones. Got a real good feeling. I won't hit no ceiling. I'm going higher than I've ever known. Got a real good feeling. This place is jumping off hard as it can get. No, we won't ever stop dancing on the edge. We like it dangerous, we like to see you split. Turn up another notch, you ain't seen nothing yet.
Here we go, man. It's a good sign. I like it.
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something.
Man, we're going to rip it. We're going to tear one up today.
Right now, right now. Right now, right now. Right now, right now.
Man, this is getting exciting. I don't even know what to do with myself. You know that? Look, a car show turned into a track day. Man, this is going to be wild.
Lightning deep in my bones. Got a real good feeling.
We got Pastrana out here, man. I'm loving this. It doesn't get much better.
Higher than I've ever known. Yeah, got a real good feeling.
We're getting close.
Got a real good feeling. Right now, right now. Right now, right now. Right now, right now.
You just gotta go faster to get the same drift. We'll see what happens.
Let's do it. I ain't no bitch.
They requested some donuts this time. So we'll pick up on those.
We got.
Turn it up. Let's just see how high we can go. No stopping till we lose our control. Until we feel it down in our soul.
doing, bud?
Hey, thanks, man. Yo, that shit is crazy. That is out of control. Out of control, man. It's loud.
Yeah, it's about to break. Got what it's gonna take. Go ahead and own that stage. Let's go. When you're made for this, yeah, it's obvious. Top another list. Let's go. Get ready for it. Get ready for it. Get ready for it.